This is eCover 3D, software that lets you create completely unique product covers. And what's really cool about eCover 3D is not that your eCovers are completely different, it's that eCover 3D makes you look like a professional graphic designer. So what kind of covers can you make? Let's jump in and have a look. Let's say you need a software box, but you need the perfect angle to really highlight your product. No problem. You've got 360-degree rotation. And that's not all. You can even add effects. You can add camera angle, lighting, scaling, reflection. Are you looking for that perfect way to present the CD product? Well, you can rotate your CD to any angle. You can feature the front cover or open up the CD case. Or you can move the CD right back into the case if you want. All you need to do is pick out what you like the best. Now, check this out. Here, all I did was pick out a pre-designed template, change the font, and type in eCover 3D. But what makes this different is the notebook can be opened to any angle that you want, and then you can even add your favorite lighting or camera positions. Now, with this ebook cover, let's play around with the lighting. The left mouse is for light rotation, and the right mouse button is for light distance. So you can even use more than one light source if you want, and you can add different colors to the lights as well. You've got a lot of different options. And if you want, why not add a little reflection and really showcase that product. Now, here with the DVD cover, you can move the DVD in or out of the case. You can even open up the case and show the CD or DVD, and you've got complete independent movement of the DVD to any position or any angle that you want. Now, if you really want to stand out from the crowd, with Open Book, you've got a very distinctive feature that you can display your product. The impressive page flip will definitely make your ebook look unique, and it's a lot of fun too. So I tell you what, let's have some more fun and see if we can create an e-cover in about 3 minutes. Now there's 3 modules or 3 views with eCover 3D. You've got the 2D view, 3D view, and the template editor. We're going to start off with the template editor, and we're going to pick the kind of model that we want. Now remember, we went through all the different types that you can have. This time we're going to start off with the book. So you go into the template library and pick up a pre-designed template. Now what we want to do is we want to kind of custom design that. So we click on Edit Face, and here we're in the 2D view. And what we're going to do is, this is just a graphics editor, and we're going to just type in the text that you want to add. And I got a little bit of a surprise for you. If you could use Photoshop, but if you don't have Photoshop, we've got something really, really great as it's kind of a free gift if you decide to go with eCover 3D. So here what we're doing is we're just designing what we want in. We're going to match up the colors. Now what we want to do is just slide it into position, and all you do is click Merge with Background, and there it is. You've got your first part of your ebook. You've got your front. So what we want to do is save that into the file. We're going to put that in the 2D environment file. Now we're going to do the same thing with the spine. So at this point, it's going to be a little easier because we've already got the text. All we have to do is resize the text, and then there it is. And to get it into position, you want to right-click on your mouse and just drag it down. And you can rotate it and move it into the exact position that you want. And again, we want to merge this in with the background. So we click Merge with Background and save your image. So we're going to save this as spine, and we've got the 2 parts for our ebook. So now we're going to go to the template editor again. Now this time when we right click, we're going to pick the image that we already made. So we've got the front, we we've got to bring that in, and then we do the same thing with the spine. Select from 2D environment, press OK, and now when we save this, we've actually got a custom designed template. So we're going to save this as ebook. Click in Save. Now what we want to do is we want to go into our 3D view. So here we are in the 3D view. You saw this earlier. We're going to change the template, and there's the ebook that we've already made, and here it is. Now comes the fun. We can do all sorts of things with this. Just to go through a few things, if we click on, we're going to change the background first of all. I'll tell you what, that gray background doesn't look good. Turn it into white. So if we click on camera, you've got all sorts of different camera angles. You can add more than one camera. Here you've got the same thing with the lighting. You can change the lighting, you can change the color of the lights, you can have multicolor lights. Then with scaling, you can do just about anything here. You're going to make this larger or smaller. Well, this is a big ebook, so we'll make it a little wider. Then you can rotate it to any angle that you want. You really, really are like a graphic designer at this point. You do just about anything. And why not, just for fun, let's add some reflection. There we go. So I think we've done this all within about 3 minutes. Sure didn't seem that long. And all we've got to do is save the image, and we'll call it ebook, save theme. And here we are. Let's have a look at what it looks like. There it is, your first cover. Now with ebook, eCover 3D, you've got over 150 pre-designed templates. So you've got a lot to choose from. And if you don't have Photoshop, we've got a really special offer for you. If you get eCover 3D, we're going to throw in software that's as good as Photoshop for you.